Dhanyavad, sir. The third launch will release the guidelines for the observance of 10 bagless days that aim to transform learning into a fun, stress-free experience in schools through activities outside the classroom and skill-based learning. Can we have the video, please?
राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति 2020 के अनुरूप शिक्षा मंत्रालय के सहयोग से NCERT छठी से 8वीं कक्षा के बच्चों के लिए लाया है फन कोर्स, जो एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग का होगा बेहतरीन एग्जाम्पल, जहां बच्चे सीखेंगे 10 दिन बिना वस्तुओं के, मतलब किताबों के बाहर की दुनिया देखना, नई चीजें समझना, कभी कारपेंट्री में हाथ आजमाना, तो कभी गार्डनिंग की हरियाली में खो जाना, कभी पॉटरी मेकिंग, तो कभी इलेक्ट्रिक और मेटल वर्क, कभी वाटर टेस्टिंग तो कभी सॉइल टेस्टिंग को जानना, और हाँ, ऐतिहासिक स्थलों की सैर पर भी निकल जाना और अपने इतिहास और संस्कृति को और भी नजदीक से समझना, कभी तो लोकल कारीगरों और कलाकारों से भी मिलना। मतलब 10 दिन ऐसे कि कभी भूल ना पाएं। आनंद और अनुभव से भरी ये शिक्षा बच्चों में स्कूल के प्रति प्रेम को तो बढ़ाएगी ही, साथ ही उनके भीतर छिपी प्रतिभा को भी मिलेगी नई राह।
मैं माननीय अतिथियों से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया इन गाइडलाइंस को रिलीज करें।
Thank you, sir. The fourth launch related to the guidelines for career guidance is developed by
एक नई मिसाल। NEP 2020 के व्यापक लक्ष्य की दिशा में एक और बड़ी पहल की हो रही है शुरुआत, जो दृष्टिबाधित शिक्षकों के लिए शिक्षा को बनाएगा और भी सुलभ। NEP 2020 की चौथी वर्षगांठ के दिन राष्ट्रीय मेंटरिंग मिशन द ब्लू बुक का ब्रेल और ऑडियो बुक संस्करण आज होने जा रहा है लॉन्च। इस पहल का देश भर में होगा व्यापक प्रसार, शिक्षा की गुणवत्ता में होगा सुधार। NMM को एक डेडिकेटेड डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से किया जाता है संचालित, ताकि स्कूल शिक्षकों को बेस्ट प्रोफेशनल्स के द्वारा मेंटर्स के रूप में गुणवत्तापूर्ण मेंटरिंग सेशंस प्रदान किए जा सके, ताकि शिक्षकों के प्रोफेशनलिज्म को मिले नई ऊंचाई और वो छात्रों के लिए मजबूत शैक्षिक नींव का कर सके निर्माण। आज माननीय शिक्षा मंत्री श्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी NMM द ब्लू बुक के ब्रेल और ऑडियो बुक को कर रहे हैं लॉन्च।
मैं माननीय अतिथियों से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया NMM के लिए ब्रेल और ऑडियो बुक्स का विमोचन करें। धन्यवाद सर। मैं पुनः इस महत्वपूर्ण दिवस को माननीय अतिथियों से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया NPST के लिए ब्रेल और ऑडियो बुक्स का विमोचन करें।
Thank you very much, sir. The sixth launch is on School Innovation Marathon by the Department of School Education and Literacy, Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, and the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, AICTE, consolidating various STEM and innovation competitions into a single challenge.
मैं पुनः माननीय अतिथियों से अनुरोध करता हूं कि स्कूल इनोवेशन मैराथन का अनावरण करें।
The Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education, Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, and the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell are jointly organizing the School Innovation Marathon.
ऐसे फ्यूचरिस्टिक कदम हमारी शिक्षा, हमारी स्किल और हमारे ज्ञान विज्ञान के पूरे स्पेस को बदलने वाले हैं।
India's largest school innovation challenge, where students from all schools of the country identify community problems of their choice and develop innovative solutions in the form of working prototypes. The problem statements of this innovation challenge are based on the overarching vision of Vikasit Bharat at 2047, which focuses on transforming India into a developed nation by the year 2047. Students will undergo a journey of skilling, capacity building, ideating and design thinking to help them build their innovative projects for the School Innovation Marathon. The top teams will get funding support from the Ministry of Education, internship opportunities through the Student Innovator Program with leading corporates and incubation centers of India, and opportunities to showcase their innovations on a national level. Student teams can submit their projects for the School Innovation Marathon from 29 July to 30th November 2024 on schoolinnovationmarathon.org. Get ready to research, ideate, innovate and implement. Participate now.
Thank you, sir. The seventh launch is the book launch of Graduation Attributes and Professional Competencies. National Board of Accreditation, NBA of India, is a member of Washington Accord and International Engineering Alliance. IEA's version 4.0 focuses on natural sciences, sustainable development, societal and environmental aspects, human values, diversity, inclusion, and adherence to national and international laws.
मैं माननीय अतिथियों से अनुरोध करता हूं कि पुस्तक का विमोचन करें।
Thank you, sir. The last and the final NEP initiative is the launch of 4 books and a report by Indian Knowledge Systems Division of the Ministry of Education. The first book, titled Samvad Sangraha, is a compilation of the lecture notes of the faculty training program for the master trainers in Indian knowledge systems. The second book is titled Kautilya's Arthashastra, Timeless Strategies for Modern Governance, and authored by Dr. Vinayak Rajat Bhatt, Associate Professor at Chanakya University. The third book is Marma Kannadi, Decoding the Human Body the Siddha Way by Gurukkal Dr. S. Mahesh. The fourth book, edited by Dr. Manorama B.N. and titled Shodh Vijaya, is a captivating collection of research articles on the grandeur of southern dynasties. The report, compiled by Professor Mohan Raghavan from IIT Hyderabad, is a pivotal projection on the Indian knowledge systems and heritage industry.
मैं पुनः माननीय अतिथियों से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टम की पुस्तकों एवं रिपोर्ट का विमोचन करें। धन्यवाद श्रीमान। शिक्षा जगत में बदलाव लाने वाले इन एनईपी इनिशिएटिव्स का लोकार्पण करने के लिए माननीय अतिथियों का हम हृदय से आभार प्रकट करते हैं।
As we prepare to embark upon this transformative journey of literary exploration, I request Honorable Dr. Shrikanta Majumdar, Minister of State for Education and Development of Northeastern Region, Government of India, to enlighten us with his nuggets of wisdom.
Respected Sri Jayant Chaudhary ji, Honorable MOS of Education and Kaushal Vikas, Independent Charge, Secretary Higher Education Sanjay Murthy ji, Secretary School Education Sri Sanjay Kumar ji, and senior officers of Ministry of Education, distinguished Vice Chancellors, other eminent academicians, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and namaskar to all of you. It is an honor to be back with you all for the inaugural session of the Akhil Bharatiya Shiksha Samagam 2024 in this prestigious Manekshaw Center. Today we stand at the crossroad of tradition and transformation, poised to chart a new trajectory in the realm of education. This event is not merely a gathering, it is a manifestation of our collective wisdom and commitment to redefine our educational ecosystem in tune with the NEP 2020. Since its adaptation on July 29, 2020, the NEP has served as a guiding light for educational transformation, striving to establish a more inclusive, equitable, and high-quality education system in our country. Our visionary Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji's progressive NEP embraces the ideal of education as a transformative journey for personal development rather than just a means to obtain certificate. The NEP 2020 is aligned to the 2030 Agenda of Sustainable Development and aims to transform India into a global knowledge superpower by making both school and higher education more holistic, flexible, multidisciplinary. It aimed at bringing out the unique capabilities of each student suited to the needs of 21st century. Besides, the principal elements of NEP include India's rich heritage, the synthesis of traditional knowledge with modern advancement, and the integration of value education with nation building at its core. The Akhil Bharatiya Shiksha Samagam, embodying the essence of Vikas bhi, Virasat bhi, represent a unique participatory dialogue steered by stakeholders from every corner of the education sector. It is through such collaborative endeavors we strive to improve our educational framework, leveraging constructive and actionable feedback to shape a brighter future for our learners. As we forge ahead, I call on everyone here to turn this AVSS into a center for groundbreaking and inspiring ideas. Let's think beyond existing policies and practices, making this platform a source of innovative solution that will bring the NEP vision to fruition. Over the past 4 years, NEP has made significant strides from reimagining lifelong learning through a digital prism to creating an intricate web of digital public infrastructure and platforms. We have set a new benchmark in educational accessibility and engagement. Initiatives like Swayam, Swayam Prabha, Swayam Plus, Diksha, Nishtha, Samarth, and Sathi exemplify our commitment to catering to diverse need in the education landscape. SIAM alone boasts a cumulative enrollment of over 4.20 crore with an around 10 lakh certification issued annually. This remarkable achievement underscores our dedication to fostering continuous learning and skill development. Moreover, the introduction of APAR and ABC, as we have discussed, has revolutionized the verification of student identity and academic credentials. With 2037 universities and higher education institutions on board and more than 30 crore students having created APAR IDs, we are opening up a world of exciting possibilities and innovative application for students across the country. The formulation of National Credit Framework and the National Curriculum Framework represent a master class in consensus building. These frameworks, the result of extensive collaboration between regulatory bodies, state government, educational practitioners, have laid the foundation for a unified system of credit accumulation and transfer across various educational domains. This achievement signifies a paradigm shift, making seamless mobility and multiple pathways for student progression a tangible reality. In a similar vein, the introduction of NCERT's guideline for bagless days promotes joyful, experiential and stress-free learning, allowing students to explore through hands, minds and hearts rather than being burdened by heavy bags. Despite this advancement, we must recognize the spirit of NEP, a transformative policy with far-reaching implications extends beyond this initial success. NEP's vision is ambitious, trailblazing, and exhaustive, and much remains to be accomplished to fully realize its potential. I particularly heartened by the concerted efforts to promote mother tongue education. The launch of primers and dedicated education channels in various Indian languages, beginning with Tamil, marks a crucial step towards empowering young learners with education in their native languages. The endeavor aligns with the NEP's goal of making education more inclusive and accessible. NEP 2020 underscores the importance of research, aiming to create a vibrant environment that promotes innovation, entrepreneurship, collaboration between academia and industry. By nurturing this culture, we can position India as a global leader in knowledge and technological advancement. I eagerly anticipate the insight that will emerge from the 6 breakout sessions today, including critical themes such as industry academia collaboration, the PMC scheme, promotion of STEM, enhancing gross enrollment ratio through Vidya Shakti, curriculum and assessment equivalence across schools, ranking and accreditation of higher education institutes. As we proceed with Akhil Bharatiya Shiksha Samagam, I am confident that this forum will act as a catalyst in developing a future-ready, responsive, agile, and world-class ecosystem for education and skill development. It is through the collective efforts of all stakeholders that we can build a holistic and progressive educational environment. My senior and experienced Minister Sri Dharmendra Pradhanji has been successfully spearheading the NEP for the last more than 3 years. As we approach the 5th year of implementing the NEP, I earnestly request everyone present here to reaffirm our collective commitment and cementing India's position as a knowledge superpower. Together, let us harness our collective energies and resolve to transform our educational landscape and create a future where every learner has the opportunity to thrive. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
धन्यवाद सर।
शिक्षा प्राप्त करने वाला प्रत्येक व्यक्ति समाज को शक्तिशाली बनाता है। शिक्षा ही मानव जीवन को सार्थकता प्रदान करती है। मैं आदरणीय कौशल विकास एवं उद्यमशीलता राज्य मंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार और शिक्षा राज्य मंत्री भारत सरकार श्री जयंत चौधरी जी को संबोधन हेतु आमंत्रित करना चाहता हूं। श्रीमान जयंत चौधरी जी।
माननीय
शिक्षा मंत्री